long, the fight is tough, but in this ride, there's strength enough for every heart that seeks release. We ride to find that inner peace. Hope's highway calls, a rising tide. With every mile, hope's amplified. The engines roar, a battle cry. For those who fight, we rally by. Through winding roads, our spirits blend. A brotherhood that knows no end. For those who seek a healing hand, we ride united, a hopeful band. Hope's highway calls, a rising tide. With every mile, hope's amplified. The engines roar, a battle cry. For those who fight, we rally by. Oh. Dave and Ray's vision, a light so bright, guiding us through the darkest night. Their legacy lives in every ride, a symbol of hope, side by side. Hope's highway calls, a rising tide. With every mile, hope's amplified. The engines roar, a battle cry. For those who fight, we rally by. Oh, oh, oh. Dave and Ray's vision, a light so bright, guiding us through the darkest night. The legacy lives in every ride, a symbol of hope, side by side.